Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to use two apps in same time. Firstly, go and choose the app that you wanna appear on your screen. For example, this one. What you need to do is just simply go to your home screen and now get back. Now what you need to do, just hide all the applications that are not suitable to you. For example, in this case it is this one. What I need to do, just simply, as you can see right here, I have the option for manage apps. Get back, choose the application again. Now on the floating windows, click on it, tap to open a floating window by typing on this section, for example. And now, as you can see, with this we have opened two apps, and we can use the two apps permanently right now. Yeah, if I type on this I can add something. If I go on the link here I can also get up what I want. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.